Hello.
Okay. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Students should open their videos. They should be visualized. विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपापले व्हिडिओ चालू करायचे आहेत. जे अटेंड आहेत लेक्चरसाठी त्यांनी आपले व्हिडिओ चालू करायचे आहेत प्रथम. Respected principal of the college, Honorable Dr. Madhusudan Basutti sir, welcoming him and the speaker of today's lecture, that is Professor Vishal Kulkarni, who is going to deliver lecture on preparing for campus interview, and my department colleagues, Professor Shamrao Nole or Imam Sheikh, and all the participants. At this moment, there are about 65 participants for the guest lecture. I welcome all the students. That is, the lecture shall be limited up to 12:40. Before that, once again, I congratulate you, and on the behalf of you, on the behalf of college, I welcome Professor Vishal Kulkarni, and now I request Professor Shamrao Nole to deliver his introductory speech. Professor Shamrao Nole.
Good afternoon, everybody. I, myself, Professor Sham Nole, so first of all, I welcome all of you on this occasion. So, respected Principal Dr. Madhusudan Basutti, HOD of the department, Dr. A.R. Masal, and chief guest, Professor Vishal Kulkarni. Friends, today we have great opportunity because today we are going to listen how to prepare for campus interview. From our Professor. Welcome the chief guest, Professor Kulkarni. Short introduction about his career. Professor Vishal Kulkarni at present a lecturer in our college. Professor Kulkarni is one of the well-known personality in our area and also popular teacher among the students. Professor Kulkarni has presented study papers at national and also published some research papers in journals on various subjects. Actually, his area of specialization is the language and literature. His research work is at present going on, and we may give him best wishes to complete. As on this occasion, once again, I thanks to always guiding force behind to us, especially on the Department of English. And I would like to request him, please continue, please deliver your lecture as early soon. Thank you very much.
I request Honorable Principal to have some words with these students. Honorable Principal.
USC and Department of English has organized this guest lecture of Professor Vishal Kulkarni from Computer Science Department of our college on the subject preparation for campus placement. It is very important subject. So on this occasion, the organizer, Professor Dr. Masa, guest lecturer, Professor Vishal Kulkarni, Professor Shamrao Navle, Professor Imam Sheikh, and other faculties who have joined this meeting, and dear students. I am very happy that you have joined this meeting, and this is the correct time for organization of such type of meeting, because you students are now budding. You have to build your career, and you have to focus your attention on the future. That is, which career we have to go further. So as far as the placement is considered, there are two types. One is campus placement and another is off-campus placement. That is, in case of campus placement, we call the companies for interviewing our students for particular jobs. And in case of off-campus placement, companies call the students for the interview and further placement. So our college is famous or marked its right mark for the campus placement, because the Department of Computer Science and our placement cell always works very good in this direction. The campus placement interviews of different companies are organized. Even banks are also called for interviewing the students on our campus for various positions in their organization. So I congratulate Professor Dr. Masa, Professor Navle and his colleagues for organizing such an important meeting for the students, because these students have to prepare from now only. Most of the students are from the part 1 students. So they have three years for the preparation. So as far as placement interviews are considered, students should acquire some skills necessary for facing the interview. So these skills are soft skills. These skills are life skills which they must possess. So I won't speak on these life skills because our guest, Professor Vishal Kulkarni will give you all the information regarding the skills required for facing the campus interviews. So on this occasion, I wish good luck to all the students for the future, for preparing for the campus interviews. So my best wishes. Thank you, sir.
I thank Honorable Principal, and without wasting time, I request Professor Vishal Kulkarni to speak on campus interview. Professor Vishal Kulkarni.
First of all, good afternoon,
Check,
all
sir.
of you. Sir, am I audible properly?
Yeah,
Everyone?
you're audible.
Yes, sir. Okay, first of all, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our respected principal, Dr. Madhusudan Basute, sir, who gives me a chance to deliver a lecture to the BCom and BA and BSc students for the preparation for the campus interviews. And also, I would like to thank organizing committee, Dr. Department of English, Sangola College, Sangola, Dr. A.R. Masar, sir, Professor Shamrao Novle, sir, Professor Imam Sheikh, sir, who knows that this is the appropriate time to be and discuss, as principal sir says that one appropriate time to discuss with students that in a first year, if you know the scenario, what exactly you want to be in future, what exact as in a part of the achievement of your success means what happened, whatever the career path you have to be choose in the career path, definitely at the ultimate aim, whatever the ultimate aim you have to be chosen, but ultimate aim has to be completed. And for being and complete your aim, we need to be achieve some kind of ladder of success, some kind of ladder. We need to be go some steps. So that steps only I'm willing to be discussed in today's lecture. Also, I would like to thank our Department of Computer Science, HOD Professor Tate sir, who gives me a permission to deliver such kind of very nice lecture in front of you. So rather than wasting a time over here I'm willing to represent the PPT presentation. Through that one, we will discuss. I want to discuss with you, the students, because what happened in a first year, if you know the current scenario of today's era, what exactly they expect from the company. Means everyone wants to get a job into the industry. Whatever the field, whatever the stream you have to be chosen, it's not matter. Means though you choose arts field, though you choose commerce field, though you choose science field. Okay, but every field having the equal opportunity, we need to be grab it. And for grabbing the opportunity, we need to be acquired some kind of skills. What skills are being required? That only we have to be discussed in today's session. So I'm representing this PPT presentation over here. Through that one, you will understand properly what exactly we need to be discussed from today's lecture. Okay, so
Sir.
everyone has to be see this PowerPoint presentation.
Yes, sir.
You have to be
Yeah.
open. You have to be open your first. That is screen. There you have to be. Okay, as in a part of the first thing concern, success in campus interviews. Okay, if you want to be success in campus interviews, what exactly you need to be taken necessary steps. That only we have to be discussed in today's session. Accomplish your success is our mission. Means as in a part of this slogan consideration, our college has to be take it so much efforts to be and provide the opportunities to the students for getting their success in the life. Okay, as per our duty concern, as per our part concern, we are taking so much efforts. But as per your part consideration, you have to be take some necessary steps. So that which kind of steps you have to be taking, that only I want to discuss in today's session. Okay, so the today's lecture of today's session objective is to create awareness of placement and selection process in the campus to the students. Okay, so definitely as a part of the first year onwards, if you know what requirement has to be there into the industry and how we need to prepare, if your base is fit, then definitely building will be constructed in a very well manner. So definitely I say congratulate to Department of English, so who has to be make it an awareness of this kind of things in front of the students of ours. To create awareness of placement and selection process in the campus to the students, to prepare students for placement activities, and to understand importance of preparation before placement. I want to focus preparation before placement. Before placement, how you need to prepare. So these things we need to discuss in today's session. Campus interviews, as our principal sir discussed with you that one, what means off campus and what means in campus. In campus means what happened, the company being arrives in our college premises, and the company, the team has to become from the respective company, and then they have to be conduct some aptitude test, then your GD group discussion and personal interview, and then your finance selection and offer letter. So these things has to be there in the premises of the campus. And the off campus means what happened, the company gives you a chance to be visit the company premises, and then you have to be represent the same thing. That is, first you need to be, first registration process has to be there, then second thing is the aptitude test has to be there, after that your technical test has to be there, then your the group discussion has to be there, and then your personal interview has to be there. These are the same process will be there in campus also as well as off campus also. Okay, every company's recruitment process is different. Okay, maybe first the company has to be represent the post into the advertisement media, through that is the social media. They have to be ad, and after that one, first you need to register, then they have to be conduct your aptitude test, and then your personal interview, then your GD group discussion has to be there, and then your personal interview. This is the process. Vishal, you should not do such kind of things. Vishal Kamble, you are doing wrong things. Wait, may I remove to you if you don't want to attend the lecture?
Yes, yes, remove it, sir. Remove it, sir. Remove him, sir.
Okay, wait.
No need of such kind of students.
Yeah, definitely. Right. Okay. So campus placement or campus interview is the program conducted within the educational institutes or in a common place to provide jobs to students pursuing or in the stage of completing the program. Means what happened, campus placement means what happened. So through campus placement, you will get the job offer. The company wants one of the versatile personality as per their recruitment, as per their expectation concern, as per their manpower concern. Okay, as per the skillful person, that skills has to be assessed through the campus interview, and then that campus interview has to be conducted in college premises also, yeah, common place, yeah, their own premises, company premises. Okay, in this program, industries visit the colleges to select students depending on their ability to work, capability, focus, and aim. Okay, through this program, definitely what happens through recruitment process, the employer, okay, those who want to, those conduct campus interview process, so that what they have to be checked, what they have to be select as particular such kind of students as per the ability to work, capability, and focus and the aim. So these all things has to be assessed during the interview process. So through the interview process, the particular organization, the particular employer, the recruiter, they knows very well that what kind of people in front of him, and is that particular person is fit for the particular post. So these things has to be, this has to be considered. This thing has to be assessed during your interview sessions. Next. Tips. So before definitely what happened before to be and represent any kind of recruitment process of the company. So definitely you must know the nature of the campus interview. What kind of interview has to be there? which company has to be there, what company profile has to be there, what is your job position, what exactly. Okay, so though your BA, BCom and BSc stream doesn't matter, so a number of ample opportunities has to be there. So after your graduation, definitely every company has to be conduct the aptitude test, and for the aptitude test, if you want to be apply for the bank IBPS position, bank IBPS exam, so there also aptitude test has to be there. So if you want to be get an admission for the MBA, there also the aptitude test has to be there. Okay, so definitely, so you have to be scrutinized through the test. So first of all, we need to prepare for that one. Okay, for research the company means what happened. So as in a part of on which company you want to be a get a job. First of all, which company represent which company gave an opportunity to you. So if, for example, TCS having an ample opportunity to the BA, BCom and BSc, all kind of stream students. Okay, you must know about the company information. Then use career fair platforms. Okay, some job profiles, some jobs will be available. So many companies will come together. एका ठिकाणी company येतात असतात आणि त्या ठिकाणी job fair त्या ठिकाणी असतात. So the job fair also you have to get the opportunities. Whenever you want to prepare for the interview process for the getting job into the particular company, so prepare a 5-minute short summary of your project. Here project means what happened, means what exactly who you are, what kind of abilities with you. You must know yourself, what kind of extracurricular activities with you, what kind of capabilities with you, what kind of potential is with you. So you have all such kind of information within you, and this information will be very helpful to you at the time of during the interview. Also, before to be and face any kind of interview process of the company, so be prepared for the group discussion and personal interview. PI, GDPI. GD means group discussion and PI means personal interview. If you want to take admission for MBA, there also after aptitude test, if you crack, so first they have to be conduct the group discussion and then conduct the PI, and then you will get chance to be get entry into the MBA admission. And then as kind of same thing has to be there for the campus recruitment process. So prepare for the behavioral questions. Behavioral question means what happened as in a part of your behavior concern. Okay, so definitely as in a part of the behavior question means how you are, how you behave to the particular situation. So as how you mold your personality, what kind of personality you are going to be represent. So on that basis, the question will be asked to you. So be prepared for that. Wear formal attire. Formal dressing sense is very essential part when you will prepare, when you are going to be joined to any kind of interview. So admit mistakes, or if you don't know the answer to a question. Okay, whatever the question being asked to you into the during the interview process at that time, whatever the answers you know, that only good answer. If you don't know the answer, then don't give it on the spot prepare answer. Okay, at that time what happened, it indicate that when you are telling lies. If you know the answer, then say, give the answer. If you don't know the answer, say sorry sir, I don't know answer, like these things. Means it indicate that one here you are willing to be representing your truth, and be confident and enthusiastic, and don't lose your courage easily, because definitely in front of the employer wants the employee, and definitely the employee has to be there to be in work into the company. So be think like this, and don't lose as per whatever the need of you a job, as like the same need of the company. The company wants a perfect employee. ज्या पद्धतीनं तुम्हाला जेवढी जॉबची आवश्यकता असते ना, तेवढीच आवश्यकता ही कंपनीला सुद्धा असते. त्यामुळे डोंट लूज युअर करेज ना, व्हॉट एव्हर द स्किल्स इज विथ यू, दॅट ओनली यू नीड टू बी रिप्रेझेंट. Wait, next. So before the campus placement starts, whatever the as a part of the picture consideration, you need to understand. बघा तिथे तुम्हाला दिसत असेल त्या picture वरनं. Before the campus placement start, wait. Before the campus placement starts, collect the information. So whenever the company development being start, maybe in your third year, maybe right now you are willing to be see some kind of a dream that after completion of my graduation, I will be join this company. So what you need to be understand, you need to be get the information about the industry. In which industry you want to be get job, in which industry you would like to work. So that particular industry information you need to be collect. First thing. Second thing is that one, as in a part of the industry, industry means what happened, oil industry is there, chemical industry is there, IT industry is there, then your marketing industry is there. Definitely sales definitely has to be finance, different industries has to be there. Okay, so in which industry you want to be get the career? First, please choose the your industry. In which industry you want to be get the job? Education has to be there. Mm, like this thing has to be there. Then next thing is that one, as per your industry concern, that is company. You need to be choose some kind of companies. This is my dream. After completion of my graduation, I want to be get a job into this company. Yeah, maybe this institution, whatever, choose this one and get the information about that one. And then whatever the information you are willing to get, then you need to understand what kind of growth, future growth of the particular company. Because definitely if you want to be get an ample success, if you want to be get the uh, success ratio of your whatever the in which industry you want to be get, you want to be enter. So as like your growth, definitely if the company's growth has to be there, then your growth has to be there, your future growth has to be there. So you must understand the what kind of future growth of particular company. The next thing is that one, that is if you want to be get information about that particular company, then visit the websites of the particular company. The company ची website तुम्हाला visit करना आवश्यक and get information to some friends and what exactly the current happenings in the company, means in which company you are willing to apply, what exactly current things, current scenario of the particular company. Definitely you are having the 2 years, okay, in your hand, so you need to get the information in continuous manner. Okay, means before to be an get an entry into get to be an interview preparation into be an interview for particular company, you must have such kind of information here. That is, you must know which kind of industry has to be there. Second thing, which company has to be there, whatever the future growth of the particular company, you need to visit the websites, company websites, get information through some friends, and what exactly the current happenings in the company. If you get the information, then definitely you are able to, you need to be have such kind of courage. I have this kind of good information about this particular company, then why I have to be get so much fear? So automatically confidence will be upgraded. The next thing is that one, that is keep testimonial ready. What means testimonial? Means your reference. References means definitely as a part of the thing concern. As an about in which company you want to be get a job, in which company you want to be work. So you need to be get the such kind of references over there. Okay, refresh probable questions. What exactly the question will be asked into the during the interview process, during the campus placement process. So be prepared for such kind of questions. Physical upkeep. Physical upkeep means what happened? You have to be mentally and physically fit during the interview process. So on which day your interview has to be there, you need to be reached on time. Assembling at the hall, so be present at the whatever the whatever the hall has to be preferred to you to be in waiting. You need to understand the particular that particular hall. Filling up the company application form. So okay, I want to give an example to you. Whenever you are willing to be present for the interview process of the any one of the company, respective company, so there you need to be fill the company application form, and that company application form once only you have to be give it, twice they will not be giving to you. So we fill the form with accurately. I want to give an example to you, which happens in our college only, here only. I get Patni was being visited only in the campus program. So they have to be given the 20 application form to the 20 students. And among the 20 students, one student could not fill the application form correctly. On the spot, he has to be rejected. Okay, it's not matter to be and get the extra copies, because the company people think that one at the time of writing the Abhijit, don't do such kind of things, naughty things. At the time of writing the application form, if the particular candidate is not being serious, then how he will work in company? हा माइंडसेट त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतो. जर एखादा कॅन्डिडेट जर त्यांचा ऍप्लिकेशन फॉर्म जर प्रॉपर फिल नाही करू शकला, तर तो त्या कंपनीमध्ये जॉब कसा करू शकेल? मग ह्या काही कॉमन इंडिकेटर्स असतात. ओके, सो दिस थिंग, अँड देन यू नीड टू मेंटेन द डिसिप्लिन. Discipline, you have to be maintain that one. And then definitely as a part of the on the day of campus recruitment day, what exactly so pre-placement talk given by the company, whatever your CV has to be there, aptitude test, group discussion, personal interview, final review by the interview committee, and final selection offer. This is the process of the any recruitment process of the company. Okay, first company gives the pre-placement talk, म्हणजे नेमकी कंपनी तुम्हाला काय आहे ते सांगत असते. Then scrutinize your CV, that is curriculum vitae, biodata. Then your aptitude test. Then aptitude test has to be conducted, and aptitude test scrutinize the students. Then group discussion, then personal interview, and after personal interview, final reviews by interviewing committee, and then final selection offer. This is the process of the any recruitment process, any recruitment of the any company recruitment process. कुठल्याही कंपनीचा रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेस ही अशीच असते. ओके, पुढे जाऊयात आपण. वेळ कमी आहे, दॅट इज aptitude test मध्ये तुमचं काय चेक होतं बघा. So in the aptitude test, what exactly they have to be checked, what kind of questions will be asked to you into the IBPS examination, competitive examination, such kind of questions will be there. So if you prepare this kind of things, it will be very helpful to you to be representing yourself into the competitive exam also. That is your reasoning, the blood relationship has to be there. Different questions will be asked to you. Letter series, that is ABCD. If Delhi has to be write like in these letters, then how to write Calcutta, like this letter series. Your mathematics, that is 8, 9, 10th mathematics, be prepared for that one. Logical reasonings, then flow charts, language skills, and English. So these skills has to be checked